How do you shoot from multiple angles in a one-wall green screen studio? Instead of running around the actor, you can rotate the world in Unreal. Here, we're shooting from the front, so the sunlight is coming from the actor's right. If we want to film from the left, for example, we can rotate the actor, the props, and the Unreal Engine scene 90 degrees. CyberGaffer will calculate the solution and change the real-world lighting. It'll compute the solution using your light specifically. So why don't people normally use this approach? Because doing it manually is very slow, complicated, and often impractical, as you need to adjust all the light fixtures several times for each scene. But with CyberGaffer, it happens instantly. All of the light fixtures driven by the app at once, in real time. We can easily shoot multiple angles from different sides, turning the scene around as we like. Usually for multiple angles in virtual production, you need 3-wall studios, but that brings a lot of spill, while the one-wall solution allows us to have more contrast and film darker scenes. This technology is production ready. Contact us for more details and join the CyberGaffer Discord to get all of the important updates.